I was sent this utility cart and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. Here it is put together. It's very easy to install the arms and the legs and the wheels. It's got a very simple set of instructions here. They give you all the hardware that you need, and really just comprised of 4 bolts in each corner and then 3 screws on the top corners. That's it, and it's all put together. It comes shipped with a bottom plate, top plate, handle situation over here, and then 4 risers, and that's it. It's just those few pieces. Overall, it's super strong. This has got a completely all molded pieces with that really nice hard material, and you can see that it's backed up with ridges underneath, a whole structure to give it strength. So this will never bow, this top panel here. Same thing on the bottom. It's got that support underneath. It's got a really nice set of casters on it. These are larger, so they'll be able to go over bumps like, a driveway piece here, and you're going to be able to get it over a little easier because of that. Makes it really nice that they've got caster locks here on the 2 on the front, so you can just do this, stop the wheels from moving, and that'll be locked in place. And hold it in place like that. Then just lift here to pop them up. That's all you got to do. What I'm going to be using this for are potted plants. I got a whole bunch of them here, and it's nice to have them on different carts. I like this one because I can put the larger ones here underneath and have room for the height of those. And being able to push it around with these handles here is really convenient. So if you're moving heavy items around your house or warehouse, this is going to make the job a lot easier. Rolls so nice and carries a lot of weight. If you're going to use this as like a work cart in your garage, you got all kinds of spots here for tools and parts, and even your drink coffee mug cutout here. Both sides got that, and a small piece here. So you can extend it too. You could add some shelving if you wanted to. It's got these built-in little hooks here where you could slide in and extend it out, and you've got tie downs spots here as well. You could put bungee cords on here if you needed to attach to each side. Very, very high utility with this. I'm really pleased with this cart. I think you will be too. Hope that helps. Have a great day.